Guys, here we go. This is my harvest today. The sitaw and guess what? That. And a lot of tomato. I have a lot of sitaw na, Dami ko ng sitaw. Thank you. O, diba, Uncle? Maraming harvest si Inday. See? Konting tanim lang, may gulay ka na. Hindi ka na magugutom. Salamat sa Diyos. At binigyan tayo ng halaga na magtanim ka lang, meron ka nang makakain. Diba? So that is so beautiful, diba? That's green beans. See? Two different kind of green beans. One is green here. The other one is lighter color. Oh, diba? Ang sarap.